everyone, myself Bansri Koradia. This video activity is made by me and my partner Nishtha Tolakya, which is conducted by our professor Nirali Kansara. The topic is to create web page of online shopping of home decor items. With the help of it, we can make web page of any item, and this is very useful for business or commercial purpose. Just look at this. This is the web page that we have created for online shopping of home decor items. This is the output. First, it shows the title that find your home decor items here. We can see that at the left side it shows the menu of different items. When we click on a particular item, then the list of items and its information will be displayed at the right side. When we click on artificial plant, at the right side we can see that it displays the items with images, its price and making charges. Like the same, when we click on clock, then at the right side it will display the list of items with information. When we click on diyas, then at the right side it will display the list of items with information. As the same, when we click on flower vases or paintings or photo frames, then the information of items and its images will be displayed at the right side. This is the code of main web page. Here first we have used HTML tag, then body bg color for background color. Then we have used marquee tag. Marquee tag create a scrolling or moving element across the HTML document horizontally or vertically. Then we have used font tag for font color and then closing of font and marquee tag. Here we have used iframe tag and create two frames. In first frame we have displayed the menu of the program and give source of menu file. In second frame it will display the items and its information. Then we have used table and displayed the images of items and used href tag to give hyperlink. Then completion of table, completion of body and then completion of HTML. This is the menu of categories. Here is the link of different items. When we click on particular item, it shows the items with its images, price and making charges. Look at this code. Here we have used body bg color for background color. Then we have used heading tag for heading. We have used UL tag to display the list of items. And then we have used href tag to give hyperlink. In href we have used target attribute and wrote frame 2. Through this, the items and its information will be displayed at the right side of the menu. Now the remaining code will be explained by my partner Nishtha Tolakya.
Hello everyone, myself Nishtha Tolakya, and I am going to explain you the remaining code. Look at this output of category display, and this is the code for category display. First we have used HTML tag and then body bg color for background color. Then we have used marquee tag to scroll or move any element. After that, we have used heading tag for heading, then completion of marquee tag, completion of body tag, completion of HTML tag. This is the output of artificial plants. This is the code for artificial plants. First we have used HTML tag and then body bg color for background color. After that we have used h4 tag for heading. Then we have used table and displayed images through image tag and source attribute. Also we used a height and width attribute. After that we used br tag for price and making charges. This is the output of clocks. This is the code for clocks. Here we also use the same tags. These are the output of diyas, flower vase, paintings and photo frames. Here we go with the code of diyas, flower vase, paintings and photo frames.